Hey, what's going on, my fellow jewelers? So today I'm doing another unboxing, that's right, but with BeeBeeCraft. Now, I've worked with BeeBeeCraft in the past and they sent me beads and I did 3 videos for them, but apparently they were happy with me because they're like, hey, anytime you want to do that again, let's do it. I'm like, how about now? And so they sent me $40 worth of beads and I was able to pick out whatever I wanted within $40. And so today I'm going to show you what I got, and then the next 2 videos are going to be my creations from these beads that I got from them. I'm so excited. You ready to see the goodies I got? You ready for this? No, not those. Ooh, these are goodies, but this is not the goodies that this is not the goodies that BeeBeeCraft sent. Okay. They're so good. Okay, you ready? I gotta try it again. Ready? Now these are the good. Ooh, these are the goodies that BeeBeeCraft sent me. Ooh, nice and heavy. I can't wait to show you what I got. Can't wait to show you what I got from BeeBeeCraft. Now make sure you check out their website. They have really good product. I really love working with BeeBeeCraft, and I love their beads, and I love even their findings and some other stuff that I bought. Can't wait to show you. So make sure you check out their website and their other social media sites, all in the link below, as well as the links for the things I got today. So, before you get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell, get notifications, because I'm all about the how-tos of jewelry making and some unboxing. So you and me, let's get started. All right, so let's dive into what I got from BeeBeeCraft, okay? The first thing I want to talk about is these beautiful metal beads. Oh my goodness, I love the color. I love the silver, the dark blue, the bronze, the gold, the dark brown. I mean, and the blue-green. I love it. And they gave me a lot. Oh my goodness, look how many. And again, the sizes. I am never good about the sizes. Oh my word. It's ridiculous. I thought they were a little bit bigger, but they're smaller, whatever. I'll still use them. They are painted on, so they're not actually metal, but they are metallic, and so I love that. The next thing I want to look at is these. Oh my goodness, anything that glitters, anything that pops, anything that when you move in the light it sparkles is my jam. And so these beauties are a really deep blue. They may look black on camera, but they're really dark blue with just kind of like lighter swirls. They're not just one solid color. They're kind of have like swirls and splotches and stuff, and I love it. I have an exciting bracelet in mind I'm going to make for one of my jewelry videos coming up in the next 2 weeks, so be on the lookout for that. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is these bracelets. I'm in love with adjustable bracelets because it makes me feel better for my clients. I don't have to be all pressure to make the exact right size for my clients, and so adjustable bracelets are my jam. But what I didn't know about this little bracelet kit is that it came with these guys. I thought these were just like a pendant, but they're actually, you can put maybe a flower in here or maybe print off someone's name, and then you put this see-through piece, kind of like almost like a flat marble, flat on one side and round on the other, and you put it on top, and you can have a very customized bracelet. So I'm just like, oh my goodness, that's amazing. I love it. I love that I get silver. I love that I get gold. And I love that I can really customize, or I don't even have to use these guys at all. I can totally make whatever bracelet I want. And I'm going to, because I like it. Anyway. And then the next thing is these cute little beauties. I just thought these were super cute, super gorgeous. They're flat. They're really flat on 2 sides and really round and have these beautiful facets. And so they do sparkle, and I love it. Clear and kind of like a cream and a tan and a black and maybe like a blue, a see-through blue. Now, these guys. I love these guys. All these came together in a kit, and it's just great jewelry kit. And so these I've been super excited about because you can make a bracelet. I think you can, if you want, make a necklace. They're more bracelet style or anklet, but they are magnet. They go together. They are a magnet, and so you can do you have different multi-strands. So this for 3-stranded bracelet, this for a 4-strand bracelet, this for a 2-strand bracelet, and they're of course they're magnets, so they're sticking all together. But I just think these are like really posh and really like upscale, uptown, whatever you want to say. And so I'm excited to do a jewelry video with this. I'm gonna probably put this with these beads over here. I have this idea I want to do, and I can't wait. And I've always wanted these, but never spent the money to get them. And so I'm really excited. Thank you, BeeBeeCraft, for letting me pick out stuff. And so I'm super excited about this. These guys are, again, for necklaces, or you can even do a really big bracelet with these, because what happens is they have a double for each one of these. and then you do the strands, and see these have enough holes for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do a 10 strand bracelet, 10 strand necklace. And then these beauties, oh my goodness. So these I've always wanted to do, but just never have taken the time. They have holes in them. So if you make a 3-strand bracelet and you want them to kind of stay, the bracelet to stay together, then you have these guys. And so the bracelet isn't like flopping all over. And so this has 3 holes. This little guy has 2 holes in it, and these have 3 holes as well. And so I'm excited to use these. I like the intricate detail on them. It'll just make the bracelet pop more, that I'm going to make, because I'm super excited about these. And then these guys, I'm pretty new to them. I don't really understand. I don't really know. I'm gonna have to do more research, but it came with a kit. So if it comes with a kit, then it kind of makes me get out of my comfort zone, get out of what I know, and experiment and try. And so I've seen it where you kind of like tie a knot on your string, or you put a crimping bead on, and then you slide it in, and the crimping bead or knot makes it stay, and then you close this up, and you can have a lot of strings or a lot of strands. And so I'm really excited about this. It's super new to me, and so I'm excited to try it out. But yeah, so I don't know much more, so I don't explain thinking I do. But this is what I got for $40 worth from BeeBeeCraft, and I am excited for my next couple of videos to show you what I'm gonna do. Woo! BeeBeeCraft, I love you. Thank you so much for the product. Ooh, I love all the stuff that BeeBeeCraft have. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love all that stuff. Who knew they had such good product, such good prices? I love it. Make sure you check out their website, check out the links. I want to know what you like out of the stuff I got. Comment in the description below. Also, make sure you check out my Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. I like to post pictures of what I'm doing, sneak peeks of the week as well, and then some of my family stuff, because I like to show you what's going on in my life. But that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure that you tune in for the stuff I'm gonna make with the stuff I got from BeeBeeCraft. Can I say stuffed enough? Stuff. So make sure you tune in, and I'll check you on the next video. Bye!